name is Dr. Hijji. I'm a spine surgeon at Northern Arizona Orthopaedics. I treat a variety of conditions, including back pain and a lot of degenerative spinal conditions, including sciatica, nerve damage and weakness. I also treat spinal deformities, both pediatric and adult. What brought me to spine surgery specifically was during my research career during med school. I spent a year at Rush University in Chicago, one of the most prestigious orthopedic institutions, focusing on spine research. It was during that time that I realized there's a lot of room for growth in spine surgery in today's day and age, and I really wanted to contribute to the field. My philosophy of care, I would say, focuses on the patient and the goals of care and treatment. My focus is to make sure the patient always understands what the goal is and what we're doing. That means spending time with them, either drawing or demonstrating on imaging what their pathology is and how we can help get them better and achieve their primary focus and goal. What brought me to Northern Arizona Orthopaedics was their contribution to a community in need. When I spent some time with the providers here at this office, I noticed that everybody really spends the time to provide valuable care to everybody here, and the patients genuinely appreciated it. And I felt that I would be able to provide a very good, unique aspect to that care and community.